Children, good morning. This is class 6. Today we are going to see about English bridge course. In that we are going to see about pronouns. We are going to see about pronouns. Let me remind you children about nouns. A noun is a word that names something. A noun is a word that names something such as a person, place, thing or idea. Such as a person, place, thing or an idea. In a sentence, noun can play the role of a subject. In a sentence, nouns can play the role of a subject, direct object, indirect object, subject, complement, object, complement, appositive or adjective. A noun is a word that names something such as a person, place, thing or an idea. In a sentence, nouns can play the role of a subject, direct object, indirect object, subject complement, object complement, appositive or adjective. Okay children, let's see the definition of pronoun. Pronoun refers to a noun or noun phrase. Pronoun refers to a noun or noun phrase. The words that are used in place of nouns are called pronouns. The word or phrase to which a pronoun refers calls its antecedent. Pronoun refers to a noun or noun phrase. The words that are used in place of nouns are called pronouns. The word or phrase to which a pronoun refers called its antecedent. Okay children, now let's see the types of pronouns. There are 4 types of pronouns. They are subject pronoun, object pronoun, possessive pronoun, reflexive pronoun. There are 4 types of pronouns. Subject pronoun, object pronoun, possessive pronoun and reflexive pronoun. Okay children, now let's see the words used in pronouns. He, H-E, he. She, S-H-E, she. You, Y-O-U-U. We, W-E-V. It, I-T, it. I. And last, they, T-H-E-Y, they. Okay children, now let's see the example with these words. The first example is he. He is used for a boy or a man. For example, Vignesh is my friend. He is a doctor. Here, Vignesh is a boy where we are changing noun into pronoun where Vignesh becomes he. The second example, she. She is used for a girl or a woman. For example, Prabha is a singer. She is very beautiful. Here, Prabha is a girl and when we are changing noun into pronoun, Prabha will become she. You. You is used when we are talking to someone in front of us. For example, the teacher is saying to a boy, you are a smart boy. The teacher is saying to a boy that you are a smart boy. The teacher is talking to a boy and saying that you are a smart boy. You is used when we are talking to someone in front of us. Next example is we. We is used when you are talking about yourself along with others. We is used when you are talking about yourself along with others. For example, the boy is telling, we are studying. The boy is telling, we are studying. Here, we is a pronoun. So, wherever you are talking about yourself or somebody else with you, we can use the word we. Here, the boy is saying that we are studying. He has included himself and his rest of his friends were studying together. We are studying. Here, the boy has included himself and his rest of his friends were studying together. Next example is I. I refers to talking about yourself. I refers to talking about yourself. For example, my name is Vignesh. I am 10 years old. Here, the boy named Vignesh is telling about himself. So, it is using the word I is representing himself. Here, the boy named Vignesh is talking about himself. So, it is using the word I is representing himself. Last example, they. They refers to the conversation about the other people, animal or thing. They refers to conversation about other people, animal or thing. For example, they are playing football. They is a pronoun. Here it is talking about a group of people who are playing football. Okay children, I hope you all understood what is pronoun and what are the types of pronoun. Let's go to the exercises. Replace the correct word in the sentence form from given options. Neshvi is a dancer. Here she is representing the name Neshvi. So she is a pronoun. The bell is ringing. Here it refers to the pronoun. So the bell is ringing. Anish is playing cricket. Here from these options he represents Shanish. Shanish is a boy, so we will use he. Okay children, now let's go into the match the following from given pronouns. He, Narayanan, which means he and Narayanan refers to a boy and a man. She, Prabha. She and Prabha refers to a girl and a woman. It has to be submitted. It is used for a thing or an animal. So, it means it has to be submitted. We are brothers and sisters. We is used when you are talking about yourself along with others. They will come soon. They is used when you are talking about their people, animal or things. Here they is considered as will come soon. Okay children, now we came to the last part of this video, that is evaluation. So take a note and write it down, all the evaluation questions, and write the answers in your notebook. A boy has a dog. A boy has a dog. Dash takes it to a walk. Dash takes it to a walk. A man gives Dash an ice cream. A man gives Dash an ice cream. Dash dog is wanted the ice cream. Dash dog is wanted the ice cream. A girl has a pen. A girl has a pen. Dash wants a paper. Dash wants a paper. A boy gives Dash the paper. A boy gives Dash the paper. Dash drawing was nice. Dash drawing was nice. There was a building. There was a building. Dash was very tall. There was a building. Dash was very tall. Last one. Akash written a book by dash. Akash written a book by dash. Okay children, I hope you all understood the definition of pronoun and its type with example. Now I will give you some homework. After this class, you should write the homework in your classwork. In this worksheet, you have to fill the correct word which is given in those 4 boxes. The first worksheet is fill in the blanks with correct pronouns. In this worksheet, you have to fill the blanks with given pronouns which is given in the boxes. So, you have to write correct word from the boxes. The second worksheet, you have to read the question and identify the correct option in the given options. Last worksheet, you have to identify the correct words from personal and possessive pronouns. Children, I hope you all understood the definition of pronoun and its types with example. And also I gave you homework. You have to write the homework in your classwork.